Yoga flow to maintain optimal thyroid health. This yoga flow harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit, supporting thyroid balance and overall health. Incorporating these specific yoga poses helps regulate thyroid function, enhances metabolism and energy, and also improves hormonal balance. Begin with Shavasana, Matsyasana, fish pose, Setu bandasana, bridge pose, Pavana mukthasana. Now to Sarvangasan, supported shoulder stand, purvottanasana, upward plank pose, Ustrasana, camel pose.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.